Hello again, this is Charles Evans from Next Dimension Web Design Studios, here for the redesign project for Unique2000.net. We're at week 5 of the project. We'd like to take the time to thank you for all the approvals and the guidance that we've received from your team thus far. One of the things that we have done is actually change the style of our reporting. So as you see before you, there's a dashboard type document that has a green, yellow, and amber status. And at a glance, you can see where the project is overall, as well as looking at each phase of the project and what components need to be done or have already been completed. What we're shooting for in the next 10 days is to get to the alpha test portion of the site where we can actually check for quality assurance with actual users. In order to do that, there are a few things that we need to take care of. Because we're dealing with different vendors that have different guidelines for how they present their data feeds to publishers like us, we have to go over their guidelines and see what it is about the guidelines that we need to comply with in order to get their data feeds. Once we get their data feeds, we will actually import them into our database and try to integrate them so where there's not much of a difference from one to the other, as well as determine the type of data that we're going to put out or the format that the data will be pushed to the user. Meaning there's two formats available. One is called XML and one is called JSON. And between the two of them, we need to determine which one will be the best and actually produce higher results for the user to be able to see. One of the other things we're going to do is to finalize our CSS, finalize our HTML, and finalize the login portion of our website so that once we get to alpha testing, we have few or as minimal bugs as possible. So to recap where we stand, we have a updated dashboard. We have user guidelines that we need to review. We have to establish a format, either XML or JSON, for where we're going to, the format that we're going to choose to push our data to our users, as well as the HTML and CSS, which is the styling and the code or styling and presentation of our website to our users. I'm here for any questions, and I thank you for your time. Have a great day.